It is time, though, to shop until you drop.
Yeah, so we're talking about the world's longest yard sale returning to Alabama. Kicks off this morning at Gadsden down yonder.
Down yonder.
In Etowah County. It actually, of course, rolls all the way through Sand Mountain to DeKalb County, of course. It's actually known also as the 127-yard sale. So that route goes all the way to Michigan. Put another way, you pick up your shopping cart down yonder in Gadsden, and you can push it far enough, you'll end up checking out in Michigan. By the way, runs through this Sunday.
Funny thing is, Chris, so you worked in Sand Mountain when you first worked here 20 years ago. And then when you worked at Birmingham, you worked
in ABC 3340's East Alabama Bureau, which covered Etowah County. So
there you go. So you need to go do a blast from the past.
There are a few blasts from the past I could do those years. That was a long time ago. They were good years, though.
Oh, good. Those are fun areas, though.
I think I'm young enough to make good memories. Now I'm old enough to want to forget them.
All right. Well, Carson, people are going to be heading out this weekend. They're going to be probably dealing with the same summer weather.
That's pretty much it, guys. That's it.
The heat.
Yeah, the heat, the humidity, and those storm chances. I will say this weekend is not going to be a washout, but during those afternoons, it is August after all, we're going to have some of those pop-up storms around North Alabama. This morning, it's all quiet. Kind of a mix of sun and clouds depending on where you are. Huntsville and Decatur, we've got wall-to-wall sunshine. Gunnersville, a little bit of cloud cover. Just a little bit of that thin, wispy cloud cover in the shoals as well. We are all waking up in the low to mid 70s. A little bit humid as you head out the door, but we are dry on the way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. You see the top left corner of your screen. We've got some rain moving into Memphis right now. That's from that big cluster of storms that went through Missouri and Arkansas last night. That will not be a problem for us, but we will have that chance for pop-up storms during that peak heat of the day. It's a 30% chance once again, nearly a carbon copy of yesterday. Temperature-wise, pretty seasonable but warm with those highs in the low 90s. Now, with some of that cloud cover that's moving through today, that'll help keep those feels like temperatures in check just a little bit. We could still get towards 98, maybe 99 with those feels like temperatures, but I think in general, it'll feel more like the mid 90s today as opposed to the 100-degree mark. Trash Panda's in town, of course. They play again tonight at 6:35. You can watch it over on this TV, channel 31.6. Heading out to Toyota Field, though, same story as last night. Can't rule on a delayed start depending on where some of those hit and miss downpours are, but we'll get this game in at some point tonight. First pitch temperature 86 and still in the lower 80s by the 7th inning tonight. Future radar looks like this. You see that cloud cover, especially northwest Alabama throughout the day. Forecast models continue to struggle with the coverage of our showers and storms. I think we'll see a few more storms dotting the map than what you're seeing here at 6 o'clock tonight, but all those storms wind down as we get past sunset. It'll be a quiet start to your Friday morning, and then we'll do it again tomorrow afternoon. There you see a few more of those downpours tomorrow. They'll fade away yet again as we get past sunset tomorrow night. You notice, though, by Sunday and Monday, those rain chances are a bit higher, and even higher than that by Tuesday, 50-50 shot. That's because our next cold front is going to approach North Alabama, but it won't make it here. That means our rain chances are with us through the middle part of next week, and we'll see some beneficial rainfall, especially for those areas in blue along the Alabama-Tennessee line. Could see about a ½ inch to 1 inch in those locations. The further south you go, the lower amounts we're expecting, about a ¼ to ½ inch down towards Gadsden and Coleman. 7-day forecast looks like this. Pretty stagnant, I know. We'll keep those highs in the low to mid 90s. And once that cold front gets nearby, we have higher rain chances. We'll cool down just a little bit next week, but we'll still be warm and humid in the upper 80s.
It's that humidity.